Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the 78% is now hit. This is the area I've been saying could be an area of resistance. It definitely could turn down, give us a break of structure, confirming this whole move up is complete. Now, until it actually goes down and breaks structure, we are just speculating that that's going to happen. It could just go down, make a higher low, and keep on going up. So we definitely want to try to trade it one wave at a time. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, the trend is definitely still up. The only reason I would be a little bit cautious with my longs is because we are at the 78%. But there is definitely a chance that this just makes a 1, 2, 3 pullback and then just makes a higher low, and just keeps on going up. So, you could try to sort it to the short side and, scalping, but you really need to keep in mind that the weekly trend is up, the daily trend is up, and even the 2 hour time frame trend is still up. So anything we see to the downside very easily could still end up being just a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. So we are definitely going to continue to really focus on longs if it does give us an opportunity, but we need to be a little bit cautious because we are sitting right at the 78%. It definitely could be an area where it goes down and gives us a couple of good breaks of structure, confirming a much larger turn on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.